It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. The kids are on holidays, everybody is in the house, and I decided to make this delicious emergency spaghetti. Like, guys, I don't know what to prepare in the house, and my children are hungry, so I thought about making a fast food for them, like something different, a meal prep that I have not prepared for a long time, a delicious meal that I can spice up a bit. Something simple but nice, delicious, tasty. Okay, guys, so today, sit down, let me show you how to prepare this simple, delicious spaghetti. You don't need to break a bank, and the taste is awesome. It came out so delicious, sugary lekker. Keep watching.